and searching here shift minus minus version. So shift is not recognized. So what we need to do? So here let's go on this C drive. Then shift here. Let's go on this pin. You can see shift file is there. Let's copy this location. Right there, edit system environment variable. Then click on this environment variable. Then after, let's go on this path, edit, new, paste there. Okay, okay. Then after, let's open this command prompt. Right there, shift minus minus version. Then you can see there shift version that I just installed. So from with the help of this command, we can analyze the version of the shift 4.1 that install. After that, the next is going to run here shift code. So this is not required for this shift. Let's copy this line and paste it there. Control S to shift. Saving on this desktop, giving the name hello.shift. Save that. So this here text file that's created. Okay, let's click on this save as and writing there hello.shift. So this place going to select here all, then click on this save. Hello.shift file that's created. Now the next is going to run this file with the help of command prompt. Open this command prompt and changing the location first. Copy this cd, then this is file is in desktop. Then after for compiling we need to use here command shift c hello.shift. Press enter. So with the help of this command we can compile this code. So compiler currently searching, there is no any problem there. You can see one file that's created with the name hello. Now the next is going to run this code. For running we need to give your shift hello.shift. Press enter. So with the help of this command we can get the output. So